If I only had 3 minutes with you, enough time to plant one seed. Today's seed is simple, but it might change the way you look at your life. Stop preparing to live. So many people are stuck in preparation mode. I'll start when I have more time. I'll try when I feel more confident. I will live when things finally settle down. And years quietly pass, always getting ready, always planning, always waiting for the perfect conditions. But life is not something you prepare for forever. Life is something you enter. Preparation can be powerful, learning is important, planning has value, but there comes a moment when preparation becomes a hiding place. A place where you feel productive, but nothing actually moves. You read another book, watch another video, research another strategy, and deep down you know the truth. You are not learning anymore, you are delaying. Because preparation feels safe, action feels risky. Preparation protects your ego, action exposes your courage. And listen carefully. You cannot become the person you want to be by endlessly studying the idea of that life. At some point, you must step into it. You don't learn confidence by reading about it, you learn confidence by speaking up. You don't learn discipline by thinking about it, you learn discipline by showing up. You don't learn courage in theory, you learn it in motion. Your dream life is not waiting for perfect version of you. It waiting for the brave version of you. The version who begins before everything feels ready. The version who accepts the awkward start. The version who understands something powerful. Growth happens inside the attempt, not in the preparation. You can study the ocean forever, but you only learn to swim when you enter the water. So ask yourself honestly, where in your life are you still getting ready instead of beginning? The business idea, the fitness goal, the creative project, the conversation you have been avoiding. At some point, the preparation must end and living must begin. Your life is not a rehearsal. There is no practice around before the real moment. This is the real moment, right now. And the only way forward is through movement. Say this with me. I stop waiting for perfect condition. I stop preparing and start living. I take bold action without overthinking. Because the truth is simple, the life you want will never be built in preparation. It will only be built in motion. And today, you stepped into the arena. Thank you for being here.